my God, what have I made again? The perfect exotic summery bruschetta with dragon fruit, mortadella, and cherry tomatoes. Everything is very simple. Start by buttering a slice of bread on both sides. I use sourdough, but you can use any bread you'd like. However, sweet and soft breads such as brioche would not be ideal at all for a bruschetta recipe. Anyway, toast the bread in a pan on both sides until crispy. Again, I used a cast iron pan just because I have it, but obviously you can use a regular pan. Assemble as follows. Place some whipped cream cheese at the bottom. I used a piping bag because I want to be fancy. But obviously you can do it with a spoon. Then I place the mortadella rolled up. If it's easier, use ham instead. After that, I place some red and yellow cherry tomatoes cut in half. By the way, I have plenty other bruschetta recipes on my channel. Go check them out. Then I place the star of the show, the mighty dragon fruit. This one is with white flesh. If you can find the one with red flesh, even better. If I was in Cyprus right now, I would have used a prickly pear instead. It grows everywhere in abundance and it's free to get. Make sure you season as well. I decorated the mortadella with crushed pistachio nuts. And for the final touch, I drizzled with honey. Don't tell me you won't be making it. See you in the next video.